Happy Wally Wednesday, everybody. This is Alex Shakola from Wollaston Real Estate Investments. We are here at 14 Cottage Street in Chelsea, Massachusetts, just outside Boston, and I want to show you guys what we're doing here at this awesome 3-family home. You may have been tracking some of our progress over the last couple months. You know we've done a lot more work than initially anticipated on this building, but the quality is going to be superior to any of the units that are hitting the market. So I'm excited to show you what we're doing, some of the improvements we're making to the property, and what you could buy for under $450,000 just outside Boston, Massachusetts. Oh, I didn't see you there. Welcome. Okay. Woo! I hope you guys like that B-roll, aka boss roll, aka a bunch of montage clips shot over 15 to 20 minutes and then condensed in slow motion for 15 to 20 seconds. Thank you, Caleb. We've never done that. That was kind of fun. We've decided to switch up our Wally Wednesday feel a little bit. We've got some higher end cameramen, not us. We've got some higher end quality recording devices, not this. So we're excited. We're gonna be bringing out more quantity, higher quality videos and content. We're looking to partner with other agents and developers to really, cross-platform brand, and we're excited to see where this takes us. Right now we've got 66 subscribers on our YouTube list, which we think is great. Caleb thinks he can, that's who's actually recording us. Huh?
3 more subscribers to go.
Caleb thinks he can get us a couple more. So we're excited. We're gonna be reaching out to a lot of you guys, of the 66 that are actually watching this. We're gonna be reaching out to you, pulling on the show for the Wally Wednesdays, doing some interviews. And then this will be really a great time for us to also get back to the real core of what our Wally Wednesday is, and that is to give you updates on our properties. So
it's not fun.
What's not fun?
It's not the core of our Wally Wednesday.
Yeah, it's always been fun.
Okay. Thank you.
I just got one for me. Did you not get one?
Oh, that's a bummer. Where's the other? Where's mine?
That's the last piece. No, they can't state that on the camera. Pull it. Do remember to watch to the very end of this video, because after this segment, I'm gonna take you on a walk through 14 Cottage Street. And I'm gonna show you, really what you can get for under $450,000 just outside of Boston. And I'm also gonna show you a handful of images for what the units could look like once they're all complete. We're working to pre-sell those right now, so buyers can get in and maybe even make some design changes. So keep that in mind, but we've got some really swanky images that we'll show you at the end of this video. All right, give them some updates on some of our projects.
Thanks, guys. Updates on a couple projects. Where are we at? We have 89 Central looking fantastic. We are finally getting our historic Navajo white from Jeff Bowen. Love that color on our trim. We have our perfect color palette coming together of our light green, black windows, and cream tan Navajo white trim. Coming together on 89 Central. Love the way it looks, and the paint is really transforming the way the exterior of the building looks. As you guys know, we have one unit at 89 Central under agreement, and we now have a second unit listed on the MLS to hopefully lock in another buyer prior to construction completion in about 2 to 3 weeks. What else we have? West Chestnut Street got a facelift on the front. We removed those decks, as you guys saw, that were falling off, and as well as rebuilt the other exterior porches, and it's got a new roof on it as well. So the roof has been leaking since way before we bought it, and we are glad to finally have a new roof on now that the weather has been bright and sunny here in New England. The April showers are over and the new roof is on.
And the Mayflowers are here.
Can't read Alex's handwriting. Over at 464 Central Street is another 6-unit project in Lowell that is very similar to 15 West Chestnut Street for you guys who have been following us. The progress on over there over the past couple of weeks is that we have had our sprinkler line, our main water connection for our sprinkler system. For these multifamily buildings, you have to do a dedicated hard pipe sprinkler system. So that service line has been installed, and we are ready to start sprinkler and fire alarm installation there over the next couple of weeks. Due to all the structural concerns and all the added work we needed to do to the building, this is something that's been required by the building department, and which has ultimately led us to change our exit strategy to the building, which is one of the things that we really liked about buying these buildings, was that we had multiple exit strategies. We had a preferred route, then we had a secondary route. We've actually opted to go with our secondary route with both of these projects.
Because the preferred route turned into a dumpster fire.
Yes, buildings falling apart, but they're gonna be beautiful. They're gonna be structurally sound. They're gonna be very safe for the new owners, and we're ultimately now gonna sell these units as condominiums. These are gonna be affordable condominium units for the beautiful people of Brockton and Lowell. We're very excited to sell these and test the strategy in those two markets.
So maybe Harrison will make enough money that he can move out into one of those affordable units and give us back our other bedroom.
Only if it's a loft. It's not a loft, I'm allowed to.
Find a loft for us to buy. What's happening at 19 Suffolk Street, which is going to be next week's video.
19 Suffolk Street, we have a lot of site work done. You guys may have seen our retaining wall. We have a massive 10, maybe even 12-foot retaining wall that is on 3 sides of the property to bring our finish rate up for our parking and for our building structure. That was completed first, and then we had all 29 helical piles installed. First time working with helical piles over there. A bit of a learning experience, good learning experience. Grateful that we had a great design team and engineering team, as well as a contracting team in place to execute that, even with some of the problems that we encountered along the way. And we had their water line, sprinkler line, and sewer line brought in as well. So everything is ready for our footings to be formed and poured and foundation to be formed and poured over the next 2 weeks.
Thanks everybody for watching this week's Wally Wednesday. We hope you enjoyed it. We're looking forward to continually refining this, getting rid of some of the kinks like my stutter, and definitely stay tuned and watch this walkthrough for 14 Cottage Street. See how many times you can count me say, so right now.
So right now, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys next week.
Peace. Right now, I'm on a ladder in the 3rd bedroom of this penthouse unit. I love these condos because they've got so much space. And like I said, for this price point outside of Boston, it's really hard to find that. So that's right off of our living space, right? Right off of our kitchen, living space. And then in addition, you've got another large bedroom and another full bathroom. Hard to beat that under $450,000. And right now what we're trying to do is we're trying to secure buyers for these units, and the buyers are actually going to be able to pick out a lot of their own finishes. So depending on how quickly they come in, they could do final paint colors, they could do tile colors, they could do finish colors. And we haven't even gotten into the master bedroom yet, which is, you know, the moneymaker. So right now we're standing in the large private ensuite master bathroom on the 3rd floor of the penthouse. So you've got a large walk-in shower, you've got a large oversized vanity for 2 sinks, and all of that is positioned right off of your sexy large master bedroom. So we've got a big dedicated bed wall, we've got beautiful bay windows that are letting in a ton of natural sunlight. You've got a view of the bridge, which kind of is like the Brooklyn to Boston, in my opinion. And you've got a big dedicated TV wall. So at this price point, under $450,000, it's really hard to get this much space and this level of quality. So we're very excited to introduce this to the market, and we know we're going to bring some great residents to the city of Chelsea. So right now we're standing in what will be the future kitchen of this renovated condominium. So right now you see that we've got no cabinets, we've just got blank walls. We've been priming and painting over the last couple days, but we've ordered those, and you're gonna see this building really start to take shape over the next week or two. And now we've officially transitioned into what will be the open concept living space. So this will be one big, great room for entertaining, and it's really gonna come out with an awesome feel once it's all done.